Alaikum, and I welcome you all to Mashal Tariq Knowledge Venture channel. As we all know that CIES exam in Pakistan, especially for O levels and AS levels, has been cancelled or postponed. But as for the special request from the Pakistan government, the CIES has offered a replacement exam for a May-June exam with the few announcement. They have shared this document with the principal on Friday 4th June, and they have they are offering a special replacement June exams in July and August, which will start from 26th of July. We have already mentioned the courses and the respective components that will be taken in these exams. For example, there was a confusion when they first announced that they will give the option of the replacement and there will be only one component per subject instead of two or three component we used to have according to the CIE structure, exam structure. Okay, now there will be only one component, and initially it was announced that the component will be only MCQs based. So there are some subject, for example, I teach mathematics, so it was a confusion. We don't have any component that is particularly related or offer multiple choice. This document clears all the confusion because it states that one question paper will be a multiple choice paper where one exists for the syllabus. Okay. Multiple choice covers many aspects of the syllabus and can last between 45 to 75. Does not have an existing multiple choice question, as I have already told. Computer, English, languages, and mathematics, they don't have multiple choice based components. Candidates will sit a question paper that is not multiple choice. In this document, they have also specified the respective component with their time duration that will be taken in the replacement exam. For example, in Pakistan, we go for O levels exam. For Cambridge O level English language, it will be non-multiple choice paper 1. So they have already mentioned the type of the paper, and for mathematics, for example, 4024 paper 2 will come. For example, the computer also, in business studies also, it will be non-multiple choice, and for others they have already P1s based on the multiple choice question. Okay, let me share you with one other document, that is they have already announced the date and the timetable, which will help you. You can go to their website, and also it will help you to manage your time and to plan your time respectively, because there is only one paper that your grade is depending upon. So there is no need that you could be lazy, or you could waste your time. So this is the timetable. If you just look at the timetable, so the first is for the Cambridge IGCSE. Our concern is the O level. If the exam is starting on the Monday from the biology, okay, 1 hour morning. So next day they will going to have English language 27th afternoon, and then 28th physics again morning. So it is the combination of morning afternoon, but no gap. So just keep this in your mind and start studying, hard studying, because there is only one component that is your grade is depending on. So good luck all of you. And